Hello there. Today we're diving into an interesting topic. Can the police record you in your home? This question isn't just about curiosity. It's about understanding the delicate balance between law enforcement's duty to protect and serve, and our fundamental right to privacy. We'll be delving into the legalities, like the role of warrants and their limitations. We'll also look at exigent circumstances, the plain view doctrine, and what protections you have under privacy laws. So buckle up as we explore this intriguing question. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the concept of a warrant. A warrant is a legal document that grants law enforcement the authority to perform certain actions, such as searching your home or seizing items. It's a cornerstone of your Fourth Amendment rights, which protect you from unreasonable searches and seizures. Now, a warrant isn't a blanket permission for the police to rummage through your entire home. It must specify the area to be searched, say, the living room or the basement. If the warrant only specifies the living room, the police can't go snooping in your bedroom without a clear and justified reason. This is where the concept of authority comes into play. If someone with authority over the place, like a roommate or a guest, gives permission for a search, law enforcement can proceed, even if it's beyond the scope of the warrant. But beware, this comes with consequences. Any evidence found during this extended search can be used against the person who gave the permission. So, it's crucial to understand your rights and the implications of your decisions. However, remember that the warrant is not just a piece of paper. It's a safeguard, a legal shield that protects your privacy. It's a barrier that law enforcement must cross before they can intrude upon your personal space. And if the police overstep their bounds, you have the right to challenge the legality of their actions in court. So always remember, a warrant isn't a free pass for the police to search wherever they want. But what about emergency situations or when something is in plain sight? Well, these scenarios bring us to the concepts of exigent circumstances and the plain view doctrine. These legal principles can sometimes allow the police to enter your home without a warrant or seize evidence that's in plain sight. So what exactly are exigent circumstances? Essentially, they refer to emergency situations. These are scenarios where the police believe that immediate action is necessary to prevent physical harm to officers or other individuals, the destruction of evidence, or the escape of a suspect. In such urgent situations, the requirement for a warrant may be bypassed. Now let's talk about the plain view doctrine. This principle allows officers to seize evidence or contraband if it's left in plain sight, while they're legally present in your home. This could be during the execution of a warrant or even during a social call. If an officer spots something incriminating like a stolen item or illegal substances, and they're in your home lawfully, they can seize it without a warrant. However, it's important to note that these situations serve as exceptions to the rule, not the norm. They are subject to strict scrutiny in court and are not a free pass for law enforcement to bypass your Fourth Amendment rights. Remember, the exigent circumstances must be immediate and pressing, and the plain view doctrine only applies if the police are already lawfully present in your home. These situations serve as exceptions to the warrant rule, but are not without their limits. Now, let's talk about your privacy rights and protections. When it comes to police recording in your home, there are boundaries that law enforcement cannot cross. This includes private areas, such as bathrooms and bedrooms. The law is crystal clear on this. The sanctity of your private spaces must be respected. But what if these boundaries are crossed? Well, that's where the exclusionary rule comes into play. This rule safeguards your privacy by prohibiting the use of evidence obtained illegally. In simpler terms, if the police overstep their bounds and invade your privacy without a proper warrant, any evidence they gather can't be used against you in court. This rule is a critical part of our legal system, ensuring that the rights of individuals are upheld and respected. So, if you ever find yourself in a situation where you believe your privacy has been violated, don't hesitate to assert your rights. Stand firm, knowing that the law is on your side, and any evidence obtained through such a violation cannot be used against you. Remember, any violation of your privacy rights could render any evidence inadmissible. In this digital age, technology plays a pivotal role in law enforcement. From body cameras capturing real-time footage to drones providing aerial surveillance and facial recognition software identifying individuals, law enforcement agencies are leveraging technology to aid their operations. However, these advancements also raise questions regarding privacy rights. Landmark court cases such as Riley versus California and Carpenter versus United States have explored these intersections, setting precedents for how law enforcement can use technology. While the rules of engagement evolve with technology, it's crucial for you to stay informed and proactive in safeguarding your rights. The Fourth Amendment to the United States Constitution protects you from unreasonable searches and seizures, forming the bedrock of your privacy rights. Home security measures can serve as your first line of defense. Security cameras, alarms, and smart locks can deter unwanted intrusions, while also providing evidence in case of any incidents. If you do encounter law enforcement, remember to document the interaction. This could be useful in any subsequent legal proceedings. Additionally, don't hesitate to seek legal advice if you're unsure about your rights or believe they've been violated. Staying informed and proactive in protecting your rights is key in this rapidly evolving technological landscape. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at whether the police can record you in your home. We've covered the importance of understanding warrants, the conditions under which exigent circumstances apply, and how the plain view doctrine works. We've also touched on privacy protections and the exclusionary rule, as well as the role of technology in modern policing. Remember, it's crucial to assert your rights and stay informed in this ever-evolving landscape of technology and privacy. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching.